It is freezing. It's literally -5 degrees.
I thought it could be fun to sit down and color together. So I always have beef with Doug Ford. I think I'm going through my quarter-life crisis. Nothing is going my way. I have no fucking idea what I'm doing. Ultimately, thank God it was not cancer. Hi, good morning. How are you? Hi everyone, welcome to Vlogmas day 3. Literally didn't vlog anything today because all I did was work. And it was all computer work, so it wasn't even like fun things that I could show you. I thought it could be fun to sit down and color together. This is a new hobby that I picked up recently. I have always been an art lover. Went to school for design. Ever since I graduated from university, I haven't been exercising my creative muscle as much. When you work a corporate life, that's just the way it goes. I decided to start coloring. I don't know if I'll finish coloring this considering it's almost 9 p.m. and I do have an early morning tomorrow, but this is the one that I decided to color. We are going to color and we're going to catch up on life. Prior to me deciding that I wanted to do Vlogmas, I actually haven't uploaded in quite a long time. If I'm being like 100% honest, don't really remember most of the year. The concept of time to me is so irrelevant because I don't remember half the stuff that I do anyways. This year, so incredibly stressful for like a number of reasons. My original work contract had ended March 31st. For a long time, we didn't know if we were gonna get extended, and ultimately what happened was the program was not renewed by the provincial government, so I always have beef with Doug Ford. Who doesn't at this point? And luckily there was room in our city budget to keep both me and my coworker employed, but for now we're on a contract basis. I continuously apply to jobs, which if you are also applying to jobs in the current job market, then you know it sucks. I was driving home one time and I paused and I was like, I think I'm going through my quarter-life crisis. I honest to God think I'm going through my quarter-life crisis because nothing is going my way and everything was making me stressed out. I hated thinking about the future. I hated planning. I had no idea what I wanted to do. Still don't know what I want to do. Can't even begin to explain where I see myself even in the next year. For so long I had had a plan of exactly what I was going to do in the next 5 years, maybe even the next 10 years. From high school up until I graduated university, I knew exactly what I wanted to do, and then I realized none of what I planned was what I actually wanted to do, and I hated everything. I have no fucking idea what I'm doing. I think that's just like life in your 20s. I went through a lot of health scares. I've honestly been going through health scares since I turned 18. I think I visited the hospital more times than I could count. Would not wish it on anyone. Hopefully this time around I don't have to get surgery. Surgery is actually no joke. It's actually not fun at all. There's very few people who know that I got surgery, who know that I had a cancer scare. One day, maybe during Vlogmas, I want to talk about that whole journey of how important it is to, number one, go to the doctor, but also do like self-checks at home. Know what you're looking for. You need to know how to advocate yourself, and unfortunately you do need to know someone who works either at a hospital, is a nurse, is a doctor. Unfortunately you do have to know someone or else you will be waiting forever. I had found out in like September of 2018, I think. I went through all those doctor visits, scheduled my surgery for December when I was off from university, my Christmas and holiday break, while everyone was either going back home celebrating with their family. I had a surgery to remove something and get it tested. Ultimately, thank God, it was not cancer. I had to go through that again this year. I was not as scared this time around as I was when I was 18. I mean, it's still scary. I put off planning things. I didn't plan anything for my birthday this year except for like a little get together at my house. I didn't really care. Like, I didn't care to go out. I didn't care to go to a bar. I just didn't care. But at the moment, I'm not having fun. I don't want to see anyone. And that was really my mindset for the entire year. Like, I didn't want to do anything. I didn't want to get on the dating apps. I didn't want to see anyone. I didn't want to meet anyone new. I didn't want to do anything because I had no idea who I was. I felt like I was losing my mind, honestly. I had no idea who the fuck I was. I didn't know what was going on. I felt really lost. I felt like I lost a part of myself this year, and I wish I could say that I found her. I haven't found her yet, and I feel like I'm in like some serious rut. So I'm really hoping that 2025 is just a year of figuring it out. I don't know. I don't really know where to go from here. Here's what I got so far. Not a lot, but I've been talking for 25 minutes and my foot is asleep. I also don't know what I talked about. I didn't have like a topic in mind, so I just started rambling. I don't know if this was interesting, but I hope it was. But tomorrow is supposed to be a pretty busy day. I know Vlogmas Day 3 is really not what both of us expected, but I hope you guys enjoyed coloring with me and chatting with me, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye.